This dual needle black face air gauge with amber backlight is ideal for any suspension system with a maximum pressure of 200 psi. Will measure two sources of air pressure on two scales of 0 to 220 psi and 0 to 14 bar. It has two 1/8 inch NPT male fittings on the back and includes two 1/8 inch NPT female compression fittings for 1/4 inch outer diameter airline. Comes with two 3-position momentary rocker switches and a black powder painted metal dash panel.